Hello everyone, this is Harshita from CAD NEST. So today in this video, let us learn the formula for grade. So in the previous video, we had learned the formula for average, maximum, and minimum. So now let's learn the formula for grade. If formula is used over here, so I'll have to give is equal to first. I've said you is equal to is mandatory when you want to apply any formulas in Excel. Is equal to if open brackets if the grades will be according to your average marks. Always the grade will be according to your average marks. So I'll have to give average marks. So the grade is equal to if open bracket, click on the average cell address is greater than or equal to 90 is my condition. So my condition is if this cell is greater than or equal to 90, the result is A plus, comma. The second condition is if open bracket if the same cell is greater than or equal to 80. Second condition is if the average cell is greater than or equal to 80, then the grade will be A, comma. If open bracket again for the third condition, if the average cell is greater than or equal to 70, then it is B plus, comma. If open bracket if average cell is greater than or equal to 60, comma, my condition is it is B, comma. If open bracket again if the average cell is greater than or equal to 50, then my condition will be C plus, comma. If open bracket if the average cell is greater than or equal to 40, condition is it is C, comma. Again if you can give how many ever grades you want. You can either give A plus A1 A2, B plus B1 B2 like that, or else like this A plus A, B plus B, C plus C like this. So if the same cell is greater than or equal to 35, it is pass, comma, or fail. So I have not given any condition over here. So if it is not greater than or equal to 35, so if that means if it is lesser than 35, it is fail. So you have to close the brackets that you have opened until now. So see how many, let us check how many brackets we have opened. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and then 7. So we'll have to close all 7 brackets. If one is not closed also, it will not take the formula correctly. Your error message will come. So here you can see the formula that we have given. So my condition was B grade. Yeah, okay. So my condition was if the average cell is greater than or equal to 60, greater than 60 or equal to 60, the grade should be B. So it is between 70 after 70 and before 60, so that is it is greater than 60, so the grade is B. So I'll double click over here, so you can see it is 70 plus. So hope this video will be helpful to you. For more videos, do subscribe our channel. Thank you.